What's up, Money Geeks, Mr. VHLPlenties.com. Real quick though, if this is your first time here, I teach people how to become and stay debt free, save money and invest. So if that interests you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So welcome to another video in our side hustle bootcamp. So last week I talked about mystery shopping, where you can make money actually going out there and being a mystery shopper. So if you haven't already checked out that video, I'm going to hook it up here for you to go check it out. So definitely go check out that video. You could be making some extra money in your spare time or over the weekend and just doing the things that you enjoy doing. So definitely check it out. In today's video, we're going to continue a service, but by this time around, we're going to be talking about laptop money. So everything you can do from a computer, from a laptop. So again, it's going to be a service that you're going to provide to people. So this week, I'm going to focus on you being either a good writer, a good editor, a good designer, or just somebody that knows how to do fun stuff with your computer. So let's take the first one. So there's this service called Fiverr.com. So when you go to Fiverr.com, well, you can either be somebody that's looking for a service, or you can be somebody that's providing a service. So let's take, for instance, if you are a really good editor or somebody that can actually write good content, you go there, you create a profile, and then you say, hey, I'm a good writer, I'm a good editor. You put your profile out there, you provide that service. And then somebody that's looking for that service will come there and see and post what they call gigs. And so once you go, you see the gigs. If it's something that matches your skill set, then you submit for that gig. And it goes, sometimes it's like $5 to as much as you can go. You know, they come about 2, 3, 4, 5 grand, depending on the extent of the gig that this person is posting. So let's say, for instance, somebody would post like, hey, I need somebody to proofread my article. And then they'll say, hey, it's $5. I want to pay somebody $5 to proofread it. You say, okay, I'm a good proofreader. You accept the gig. You go in, proofread, and get paid $5. So it's just that easy. You can use it too. Let's say, for instance, you have something that you're working on and it's taking so much time. You can pay somebody $5 to do that. To go on Fiverr and create a gig and say, hey, I have an article that I want somebody to read or proofread, and so I'm going to pay $5. So you spend $5 to do it and save yourself a lot of time as opposed to you sitting there and going through it over and over. So I'm going to put a link in the description below. Click on that link, create a Fiverr account, and once you create your account, you can go in and put your skill set, and you can act as somebody that wants to provide a service or somebody that's looking for someone to work with. So definitely go check it out. So that will be the first one I want to talk about. Second is, if you know how to do web design, let's say you know how to build a WordPress website, you go to Fiverr, post your skills, and a lot of people, I mean, like, I've actually gotten people through Fiverr to help them build simple websites, and it's so easy. Somebody will contact you, or they'll post a gig. You go in there again, like I said, if it's something that you think you could do, you accept that gig and say, hey, I could do this, and this is how much it's going to cost you. This is that simple. So website creation. So you can use stuff like WordPress, which is like they call a content management site. It's pretty much drag and drop if you know how to do it. So that's another one that I really think that it's superb. It's easy. You should definitely try it again. I'm going to put a link in the description below for everything that we're talking about today, so you can go out and check them. Making money online has never been this easy. And if you are not taking advantage of it, you got nobody to blame but yourself. Whatever the case, try it. And if it doesn't work out, you move on. Don't just think that this is not for me. I've seen countless number of people that had no idea about these things, and they're making money online. You're not going to become a billionaire overnight, but guess what? That extra $20 that you made, that extra $30 that you made, that extra $40 that you made might help pay for your dinner, might help pay for your phone bill, or might help pay for you to go on vacation. The choice is yours. So question of the day, what other side gig ideas have you tried online? Let me know in the comment section. If you like the video, go ahead and give it that thumbs up. If you find it useful, share it with one friend. And if you can relate to what I'm talking about here, definitely drop me a note. A quick shout out to Sensible Living with Money Mom. She's an awesome person. And another shout out to one special person, Angela, with Our Life on a Budget. She's an awesome person. I'm sure the words to talk about her. So I'll put a link to their channels below. Definitely go check them out. Until next time, keep crushing that debt, and we'll talk soon.